Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing an attempt on creating my first makeup video for Instagram, and it's only a minute of length. So I'm gonna try to create my own, and hopefully it comes out good. So come along with me on this journey. So I'm not gonna talk in this video because I'm gonna be listening to some Ariana Grande, you know, just to get me in the mood. So here we go. Let the tutorial begin. Alright guys, well that's it for today's video. If you like this video, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Also subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. That way you're notified of all the videos that I've been uploading, okay? I'll see you guys soon. Bye.